I'm going to explain you how to log into LMS portal for eClasses. To log into the eClasses LMS portal, simply you can open our website eClasses.com. Inside this website, you can see there is a login option. So simply click on this LMS login. So once you click on this LMS login, here the organization code, you have to enter the same one, SUFKN. And then after, you have to provide the mobile number. If you are from India, then provide your mobile number. If you are from out of India, use your Gmail instead. Okay. Please remember, if you are from India, enter the mobile number. So I'm going to enter my mobile number. If you are not from India, any out of country, please use your Gmail. Okay. Then simply click on proceed securely. So once you are entering your mobile number or Gmail, you will receive one OTP. So that OTP, you need to enter it over here. Verify OTP. So here you can give your full name. So I'm going to give my full name Ram Boyapati. Why? Because after your course completion, in your profile, the certificate will come with this name only. And also, you can add your email address as well. So simply, let's get started. Successfully registered. So you are able to log into our LMS portal. Inside this LMS portal, if you already have access to the course, that course will come here. Under the purchased courses, whatever the course you have the access, that course will come over here. And then after, for that course, any kind of communication, you can go to the chat. Here you can see, if you want to send any messages to us, you can click on this eClasses, you can able to send the messages. Once you are getting enrollment for this course, if you're paying the fee and enrollment is completed, then you will get one more group chat for your course. You can communicate in that chat as well. For example, if you want to use from mobile app instead of this portal in laptop, if you want to log in and access this LMS portal from mobile, if you are using Android phone, then simply you can go to the Google App Store or Play Store, type eClasses mobile. So the name will come eClasses mobile app. Under the App Store, you can see there is a eClasses. So you can able to see with the icon. This is the icon. eClasses inspire, educate, motivate. This is the globe icon you can able to see. This is for Android. If you are using iPhone, for iPhone, the app name is My Institute. So that is with this color, red color. So in iPhone, you need to download My Institute app. For Android, you can download directly eClasses. Make sure the spelling eClasses with this icon only. After you are downloading this mobile app, that time it will ask you to register the organization code. What is the organization code you need to provide? The organization code is, again, you need to enter SUFKN. This is your organization code, and you can able to enter your registered mobile number to log in. Thank you.